While the crypto world explored the aftermath from the breakdown of FTX in late 2022, Avalanche says it avoided the disaster. Avalanche organizer and president Emin Gunsayer guarantee its partners that FTX influences almost know the organizations and undertakings working in the torrential slide biological system. The organization had a record on FTX with a tiny measure of coins in it. That is all in all a help for torrential slide, however not the equivalent for others with bigger stores. Torrential slide is among the main 10 by market cap with a bullish exhibition of 3,100%. In front of top crypto resources like BTC, ETH, BNB, ADA, and DAB, as per CoinMarketCap information. The torrential slide blockchain can give close moment exchange irreversibility. Meanwhile, consider anything blazingly quick, minimal expense, and eco-accommodating. Torrential slide is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and instruments with quicker speeds, higher throughput, and lower charges. Applications include asset issuance, automated market creators, borrowing and loaning, decentralized trades. What occurs from this point until who knows when can't delete the excellence of the design by which the organization was fabricated. Coins with utility ought to be supported by their local area. We should investigate the reason for the torrential slide value expectations and see the reason why you ought to incorporate torrential slide cost expectation among your evaluating tests for a VAX. Here is a thought. The worth of an AVAX token is attached to the handiness of the torrential slide stage. If individuals have any desire to utilize the torrential slide stage, AVAX tokens ascend in esteem. On the other side, on the off chance that the stage becomes outdated or simply disagreeable, the AVAX token probably wouldn't be as helpful for a speculation portfolio. What is torrential slide in AVAX? Avalanche trusts in the torrential slide conventions even-handed to develop serious areas of strength for and power productive digital currency network for applications, novel installment natives, and new interconnecting blockchains. The Avax convention is fostering a new tokenized economy by means of its progressive innovative methodology, which incorporates consistent physical and virtual resource exchange, secluded installment application natives and subordinate items, Web 3.0 confidential information and social applications, and considerably more. Source: Personal Financial. Torrential slide is the blockchain area's quickest shrewd agreements digital money organization. The organization has by a long shot the most validators of each and every POS convention, which guarantees its movement. Besides, the torrential slide network is a lightning quick, low expense, and harmless to the ecosystem stage. Once more, any savvy contract-based application could outperform its opponents on torrential slide. Torrential slide's mainnet went live on September 21, 2021. And from that point forward, the stage has gotten north of 200 unique activities, more than $14 million AVAX consumed, north of 1,000 other block offering validators, and more than 600 local area individuals around the world. What makes torrential slide the best shrewd agreement stage? The web's cutting-edge torrential slide and other digital currency networks are cutting-edge web application stages. The web is continually evolving. Web 1.0 PC networks connected us to the web and admittance to data and electronic internet-based business installment. Web 2.0 portable first informal organizations connected us to web networks, while calculations improved our information client experience. Web 3.0 cryptographic money networks are trustless local area-based conventions. For example, torrential slide, which offers shoppers back command over their data and security by means of locally consolidated DEFI applications. The third time of digital currency advancement prior digital money networks took into consideration around the world. Decentralized virtual cash. The second rush of stages developed this fundamental innovation to empower the development of programmable DApps, empowering DEFI gadgets, NFTs, and other income-creating applications. These frameworks, nonetheless, have overhauled a limited scope of purpose cases in light of significant expense suggestions for executes and slow exchange speed. The third era of digital currency networks expects to oblige a more extensive assortment of decentralized applications on more affordable and faster blockchain, introducing a multi-chain future with numerous biological systems contending on speed, security, and customization. AVAX value history. The torrential slide digital currency has been on a strong negative pattern during the first profoundly unstable days, dropping 25.0% over the most recent 14 days. Torrential slide cost has recently shown huge potential, and presently may be an ideal second to purchase given the promising business sector cap. while contrasting the ongoing worth with the most recent 30 days cost history. In any case, today is certain that Avax's cost has dropped by 4.7%. Nonetheless, Avax currencies are a sound speculation expansion to your drawn-out mint piece assortment. The cost changed between a base typical cost of $48.06 and a high typical cost of $146 in the past 90 days, addressing a 208% swing. All through the past 4 months, torrential slide has been on the ascent. As an outcome, we expect that comparative region of the market at the time were common. Torrential slide's exchanging volume has expanded in the past 4 months, as per the latest figures. The size of the market in complete stock affects the cost today. On May 4, 2022, popular crypto trading company Valkyrie pronounced that it needs to send off a torrential slide trust for institutional wagers on the chain's local Avax token. This will likewise assist financial backers in Valkyrie with getting more openness to the torrential slide blockchain convention. This organization with Valkyrie will without a doubt open more entryways for future ventures with the torrential slide environment. Torrential slide specialized investigation. Torrential slide specialized examination uncovers Avax has been exchanging a declining pattern. Since mid-February, Avax has been on a consistent descending direction, tumbling from a high of around $21.38 to a low of generally $14.12. This descending pattern is particularly apparent while taking a gander at the day-to-day diagram. While there have been some transient bull runs throughout the course of recent weeks, these patterns have not had the option to break the descending direction of Avax. Avax is down 13.84% in the beyond 30 days as the value keeps on exchanging beneath the 21 and 200-day MA. The general feeling is negative, with the RSI marker floating close to 25. This connotes that Avax is oversold at current levels, and there might be some potential gain expected temporarily assuming the cost breaks above key obstruction level. The basic moving normal recommends that Avax is moving in a descending course. The 50-day SMA is at present underneath the 200-day SMA. It is negative to recommend that the market opinion. Avax's cost has been solidifying around $16.93, where it has been exchanging throughout the previous few days. The specialized markers are flagging a possible breakout upwards as the Chaikin cash stream is gradually expanding, and the MACD is a likewise uncertain area. On the off chance that Avax breaks out above $17, it could flag a potential pattern inversion and offer brokers a chance to enter long positions. The MACD is an unsure area, yet the histogram is gradually declining, which recommends that the bullish force might blur. In any case, the stochastic RSI is showing a bullish hybrid which demonstrates that Avax might actually begin to move higher sooner rather than later. Torrential slide cost expectation 2023 as indicated by the torrential slide Avax cost expectation for 2023. The cost of torrential slide is anticipated to arrive at any rate worth of $20.03. The torrential slide cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $23.23 with a typical exchanging cost of $20.79 all through 2023. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. Our torrential slide Avax cost expectation for 2024 recommends Avax could possibly accomplish a most extreme cost of $34.28 and a typical exchanging cost of $31.10, with a base value